Nadine here. Now, I'm not going to claim that I don't have enough room in my kitchen because I have a pretty large kitchen, but all the counter space is against the wall, and I feel like I'm always looking at a wall when I'm working. So I really wanted an island, and I finally got one, and I'm surprised I didn't pay an arm and a leg. Let me walk you through this beautiful island over here. We did get it in a beautiful color. I'll show it to you in a second. So I'm going to show you the back of it first because I want to push it against the wall so I can show it to you more easily. First of all, it does have a leaf on it that you can pull up. Let me do that for you. And it does have a cord. You can plug in some stuff. You have your two plugs here and two USB cords right here, or plugins over here. And then you have the leaf over here. Let me show you the leaf. It's going to be held up by three stands. I'll show you in a minute. And you just pull it up and it's up and holding steady. Those are the three pieces that are going to hold it up. Now, in order to pull it down, what you need to do is first you can pull this up. It's going to hold. And then I have my phone in my hands. You do need both hands. You just clip in that part and you'll be able to drop it. This one here will hold once you hold it up. Let's look at the back a little bit. This is the back. This is the back over here. It's going to have little clips here to hold everything together. It is very sturdy. Let's look at the top of it. This is the board here. The board is quite solid, so it's absolutely going to be sturdy and looking great in the kitchen. I think it looks beautiful in the kitchen. You have a towel rack right here, so you can put your towels. You also have a place where you can put your spices right here and a knife spot. Plus, if you want to hang your utensils or anything, you can hang them here or whatever you want to hang. That's an extra spot too. You can even put in there your saran wrap and all that stuff. You have your first drawer in here. I'll give you the dimensions in a second. And then you have a second drawer. I haven't gotten the garbage can to put in here yet, but this is going to be so convenient considering the fact that our garbage can is quite far off. So this way I can do while I'm working on the countertop. I have the garbage right here. Easy for me to just go ahead and throw it in there. So I still do need to pick that up. And then you have adjustable shelving. From end to end, it's 60.2 inches across. And just the table up here is going to be 51.2 inches across. The leaves here, the first part is going to be 15.7 and the other one is going to be 11.8. And then you guys do the math. I don't want to do math right now. Total height from the bottom to the top is 35.4 inches. And in width is 11.8 inches. Drawers are 13.7 inches for this one. And 29.5 inches for this one. Those are 11 inches in depth, about 25 inches in height for these. So it's going to be 25 inches too, so you can keep track of what kind of trash can you need. These are magnetic here, so when you're opening and closing, they are magnetic. It also comes on 4 wheels that do have the locks on them, so you can lock it in one place or you can keep it moving the way you want. So it is quite versatile. And it comes with 2 shelves here for a total of 1, 2, 3 shelves. These are adjustable, so if you want to move it up and down, you can do that. Now, this does take a little time to put together. It took several hours to put it together, but it is definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it. Now, some tips to put it together. It does come with a pretty detailed instructions, but the first thing you need to do, because everything is marked with letters, first thing you need to do is separate each thing so you know where every piece is. That way it'll be easier for you to bring in everything and start putting it together. And basically it comes with all the tools. Now, if you do have a magnetic screwdriver, it is going to be a lot easier to put it with a magnetic screwdriver as it latches onto the screws and you're not dropping the screws and things like that. Very simple directions, time consuming, but great piece, and we absolutely love it. So in order to put it down, like I said before, push this one in and then go ahead, push these 2 in. All right, so first we push this one in and then the 2 latches and it comes down very easily. Absolutely love it, and you guys will feel great piece. I love this. Love it.